guys, so mama baked this morning. I never there when she start baking, so I'm gonna get to record the whole thing. But we're going to go see what's going on in the kitchen. Post Christmas baking. We never there for the rub up.
You never rub up it.
What you put in there?
No, I need butter,
Butter, the sugar.
Butter and the sugar.
All one?
Yeah, right now.
But yo, your mama bake touch. Your mama bake. Eh?
Yes, your mom. Banana that again.
Your mama bake. Your mama bake.
But that's why we have to work with the food when them are wake and I don't know when them are go.
Yeah, I know.
Nothing how long them are.
Cake.
Yeah.
Mama
Eh?
we eat Christmas cake.
Oh.
They talk to them can't try the one and get money.
You can show it to a child back in the
See, I'm probably to what me not give money.
Papi Aki. Holy Aki. You ever get no plum down there?
Plum?
When you say you want some from a mix, it's all about the tea. That's all.
So as we say, I just the butter. Oh, the brown sugar you use.
Brown sugar, yeah.
And then this flour, some baking powder, brownie if you go in there later, some vanilla, rum.
I'm sure you dirty to you, see.
Oh, this red label wine? Red label wine. And what is?
Blend up
the raisin. And blend the raisin. And we are blend it up. And put like a lime, something in there to cut the rawness. And egg. Cinnamon in there? Where you want? Where are you doing there? Where you go? Go do what? Go do what?
Come on, we're going to watch what? No, we don't watch it.
Shabam. How are you do? Guys, this is my little brother. We never see him that much in the last vlog because he did it up, so. What happened, Shab? How are you do?
No, I sleep, tired.
You're not going to sleep, but what's up if I sleep?
Come on.
You leave me alone, please. My camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna charge it. Hopefully me there when mama I be at the whole thing. Me have to meet up with some friends today. I'm gonna need to go out with my cousin too. So I have a couple things on the agenda for today. So I'll check back in once the cake start going somewhere. Yeah. Me and y'all go watch the show we watch yesterday. So I'm gonna watch Netflix with Q. Bye. Good morning, guys. I'm all over the place with these vlogs, but anyway, let me get some light. So I just got back, and then them hungry, so I'm gonna fry them some egg.
You know them? Me.
I fry you, Taj, and Tini says she know on the egg. I don't know what Tini is. I must be Frankfurter.
Give me egg.
How my matter? Eh?
Where are going to cheat?
Come here, fry feature them.
Till you eat egg.
Eat egg.
Till you eat egg, Shadi.
Then can I eat egg? Where you come give me work? Jesus Christ, the Lord, give me, come. So if you buy alone, man.
Where are you going to that?
In a ball of him, I tell you, so if you take egg out of tin hand.
You just.
Let me buy alone. Let me do that. Go feed egg though.
That's actually for rough him up, man.
Anyway, guys. You then leave body, you see?
You need to rough him, man.
Jesus. Look how you're tall. Me head up on your chest. I have to hold the camera away up so. Can't miss how me look brother this. Q saying you love me 100% and Tad saying you love me 5,000. How much you love me?
10.
10 what? 10%? Me shame. Lie my tail. Lie my tail.
Tad, how much you love Shane?
5,000. 50,000 you say. Same thing even more. Sure.
Where to go? Oh. You ain't taking it?
I saw Kim never eat egg, you know.
You just have to take show up. Because Mama used to keep making her eat it.
Where rubbish bag? Pass one scandal bag. Wait birthday where I go eat? Bread night bread pan?
Actually, I know what you make.
You say you want egg too, right, Taj? You want egg too?
Yeah.
Ain't cute, see egg then. Guys, the lighting is a bit off in here, but y'all get the picture. So guys, so I just made eggs for Q, right? But in the middle, it's kind of like over easy. And Q is disgusted, child. He is not having that. I didn't even see that the yolk didn't pop. Because I don't mind eating it over hard. But these kids picky, child. So picky.
This is my favorite.
Feel one done, man. Carry back your plate, come over here, so. So, Tini, where y'all gonna eat? There can't eat bread and meat. Alright, that done. Yeah, dance. Eh? So, walk on to your vlog.
It's hot with egg. We don't eat egg gun.
Say hi to the vlog. Soak finger, Jack. Lick out the pot. Tell me some more. Say more about my pot.
Not eating.
Hello, suck your finger, so.
Last time. I love finger.
Oh.
Last time.
I suck finger.
Last time I got my did family.
When me look up here, when me suck finger?
Yeah.
No.
It's your tongue.
Go ask grandma.
It's your tongue and tell you that could be.
Yeah, me suck my tongue and me still suck my tongue till
That's
this.
your something.
Till this day, I still suck my tongue. Teenage shop, come in and come scrape out the meat. Jesus, please, Teenage, that shit is hard. Hold on, hold on. Mama going to kill you. Mama going to kill you and we in here. Teenage to away the salt. Go feed broom. So guys, me just don't fry them egg. Me have to forget for sure on the cake or Mama done bake yesterday. Mama baked 7 cake yesterday and there must be about 3 left or 4 left. When Mama make cake, you know, and the family know, done. That one, this is when I come in last night. This day here or next Sunday here. I cut peas, my carrot peas. Go get my cousin yesterday, and then this day here. Go feed knife make me eat peas. Cause I eat peas now. It's all done. Guys, it's so good. Growing up, I did not like black cake. Like I was that kid that everything had. I was a difficult kid, but like growing up, then that would be a plain cake for me on the side. I mean, I talk about a cake, mixed cake, I mean like cake from scratch, like how they would make this. So that's what they used to do. And then I came down here 2000 and, but yeah, my phone, put it down. I came down here one Christmas. I don't know what clicked in my head, but why? Nice. So I'm gonna cut me a piece. Mama, I call you now. When you want?
Jamaica. And on Instagram and Twitter at RGR94FM.
Mama say, Mama, you want one like here?
Say. But you feel like go post that for me. I mean, how much you posting?
Eh?
How much you posting?
Guys, we're there here. You get chewing gum pan in pan. At first pin me know to eat chewing gum. So you eat the bam bam Q. And you reach the chewing gum. You see where?
Give me.
Sit down and grow. Sit down and grow and sit down.
Invite her for sweet and give me chewing gum.
Q, I make you say you don't like chewing gum?
But
It tastes bad?
Where touch there?
I first met him, know to eat gum.
Where touch there?
You're a weird child.
Where I do? Don't let me 5 pounds and I go look at feel like half a 5 pounds. Look while I'm going to make 5 pounds. Come here. You need to eat?
You eat egg. Fry my egg. Me say me go fry one egg for Q. So me not fry it over hard because it's still leaky. Q say lad. Nah, you so. You like off? So finger jack. Ask mama now. Ask mama. Ask mama if me see something my finger.
Come again then. Come on.
Mama,
Sonia spends from the
I
car.
choose the
No.
Hello? Me not suck no finger.
my finger.
Sucking finger look a bit a thing in the start. But when you think it catch like that. Suck finger that can pair with your navel. Yep. I'm seeing navel. Oh, I'm going to throw this something in my machine. You black close them. So what's up to the vlog? Say hi. Me send a picture of them to your mother. You all of them. From fear head. And if you cut your off, because you don't like me. Where I ride me for?
I'll see if you wash it.
You don't need to wash it. My hey, a nasty finger. Palm me, your soak finger, lily juice. Palm me, oi!
The next week, the other week we know gas out, and next week Tuesday.
Where you say what?
One phone and one tablet.
Then I like you ringing.
One phone and one tablet? What is your tablet?
No more ringing, can't go for the
You mash up?
Only that can one ringing them on there.
Yeah.
When this year ring me never go here.
What that? What make?
Me not used to it.
Your mama got an iPhone. Oi oi. Mama get iPhone. I know everybody want iPhone. We get the iPad already.
Fitek?
Them not going a long time from me that one last time.
Myself.
You wanna share. Cause when you get it, what you get.
So when you have that phone, they give you. And you take out your something them out time.
And Shavaga got 2 phones.
Shab not say Shab give the next iPhone.
Shav say nah, give me no info.
Are you not up to Shav? Papa, how much that took? Cause once that drop it crack up.
Crack already.
And Shav say nah, give me.
It a give worries already too.
And give penny. When I keep you up for me and don't the boy must sell boy for $200.
Sell what?
A iPhone.
200. You know where man say good.
200 US.
I walk that.
Like somebody buy that for 200 US.
Hey.
You say nah, give me. That you pop.
Start here. Me have feelings, you know, young cute just love throwing herself on people. But they say if you look in the sun. In a sun.
What me are looking there for?
I ain't there if you look. Yeah, I didn't look so.
Which are they in there?
A video.
Yeah, you did.
Audrey!
Audrey, come here.
Audrey!
Come right there, so let me talk to you. Me say you come here with me and die and then pick your face with you. Come here, so.
How in there? How many
tell me
the back of van?
Come tell me.
Y'all from me come down, me see Audrey a road and me tell Audrey to come up and know Audrey no reach. So you just a pass there. Not even get to see him for Christmas.
Tell her what she do. I never tell her what she do. She tell her what we do. I never tell her she
How then do you add?
So where I go? Eh?
How well then do you?
I go for Cheryl. I go wash. How well then do you come out with you?
I mean I did that. How well then did I tell you say? See if you do what?
So what then tell you say?
Must go because just sitting in there. The guy yard and sitting there. Yes, I got them that yard do I run him.
Don't for behave on yourself. So what happened?
A queue, you know, a queue, alright.
I have some clothes for you wash out for me, you know.
Come let me see now your head. Come here, so.
Why you pitchy patchy, sir? That made you feel ask.
Oh, yeah? And when you did that before, was in there. When you come down from America last year, you know, say you're dirty bad. You hear one wash.
So what am I RG people then love your Spanish in here, you know?
Okay.
Yell up everybody, RG. We have and yell up everybody. We have now? Say what I go on.
You said that before was get hard to well.
Oi, say what I go on now? Say bright as day. Say bright as day. Can I say?
I just be gone.
I see Fanda last night. Of course I should be gone me. Me I look like we are same age. Ain't gone out?
Every day I that good also, like him I work also.
You see more this a book one night.
Oh, Banda.
Wait, oh, get up, mama, go be. Guys, Q just asked mama say, don't know this. Q just asked mama say if he can keep piece of cake, and mama said no. He come in here, so mama just come for him with the belt. Come for him with the belt. This time, Mr. Pepper. You know, you're gonna cut the lady cake. Yeah, come in. You can't cut cake.
See the water on the table here, and the plate where eat the egg out of seamless.
Give me phone and go pack up the thing of them.
I want no dirty plate in the kitchen either.
Yeah. Go and take up your plate. You run from mama business with the boy. I get fruit cake. I got Christmas cake. TSC and tell me what nice. Nice. Aji looking yay. Woy yoy. You nice, Aji? Yes. Aji say nice.
You can't be son.
May I video him I eat. Go on. Mama going to cake there. What you eating, Tin? You should have taken out the frankfurter them and me look about them for you. Frankfurter in the freezer with him off. You don't look about them yesterday?
Yesterday and the day before yesterday.
Oh. Where you ride me for, boy? Eh? Give me a phone.
A phone for that.
Come here, Q. You cake nice? Nice? Oh, nice, be. Oh, nice. 50%? That's not nice then. You want a cake? Eh?
Yeah.
Go and take piece. Go and make mama give a piece or Q give a piece off a film. Take a bite off a Q. From man, you have a phone?
Yes.
So, Tini, why you not charge the iPad? You two charge them in there. Go and charge the iPad. When you not go sleep at night time, when you plug in the iPad, make it charge. So by the time when you wake up in the morning, it's 100. Guys, they can't watch them. They can't fall into a fight over technology. I carry my other phone come and they not left you alone. Charge and change the password so nobody don't know you.
See you yesterday?
You not have the phone already? So you mean oh me stay? You not have the phone?
iPad.
I'm me not ask your iPad at in here?
Oh, buy not back the phone.
Them ask me come here and me give them everything except my phone. And them ask me what things then they. I beg them to do a mash up my charger because I need it for my phone. I no plans for today. Chilling. We chilling. Taj up cake. Oh, nice cake, you know, Taj.
100%.
100%. Oh, God. What? Yeah, that's also. Where iPad the Q? Look, you looking at me, good job? Q, where iPad there?
No.
What? What you say? Give me my phone then. Give me my phone and tell me where iPad there. Alright, give me my phone. Yes, man. Go show Tini where iPad there. You wicked like. You see, you don't stay at Iris, someone finding one another.
I said to you before the tablet.
Eh?
See if you put on this one. This one they right you can't find.
You not even know where tablet this young kid. Mama take you up. Pops now walk and eat. Sit down and drink. Come give me a cup so you not drop it.
This is mine for now. Ever, nobody knows.
Judge touchdown in at the airport. Track suit and my Air Force. Where you come from me for? Watch him. He can chew him big head for me and drop cake crumbs. Pick you up. Yes. Alright, make it plaque out again so I'm not conk you. Because I just sweep up the veranda.
Then just a nasty place in the something.
Are you? You need to put your hand and you're not even going to wash your hand and touch up your phone with it. Stop that.
Taj. Stop that. Manners.
You have manners? Which part?
Everywhere.
Where?
Everywhere.
Which part? You have manners at school to teacher? In pause. You done it?
Every minute teacher me. Good. I gang in a gang with boy and gang people pick me. With their friend them.
In a which gang?
Mama, true.
What is gang?
Mama.
What is gang?
We then call gang, mama. We then call gang. In a crew, you have click. I show people them pick me.
No. One time my boyfriend wall was sitting for the wall and we up there. And I look up we and Jerry stick down there. We take back the stick and slap him more time.
You don't forget school go fight.
And 2 times he fight out. Mama, but me never said so.
Alright guys, we just there when I don't know. So as you can see, them I try play a game and chat some. Me check back in. My eat cake and I drinking syrup. Our
Juice.
a juice. Oh,
If you make that jump off today,
these are near come.
If you wet up, if you make that.
What?
If it's all wet up.
How would that come, Taj?
Uncle Dwight! With these and hair! I know you must talk cuss people.
Is that Italy?
You know you must talk cuss people with 10 years.
Good morning.
Already. Always.
You name Tad Brian.
I'm DJ.
Good.
Alright? Don't hug me up.
They got change the password. Yes, me not
She
here.
not kitchen there.
They get your password, right?
But you see cake when me just show
That's
no,
my
they
shady.
don't know.
That's my shady.
One next, Uncle I read so you can't done. Done. Look at my pretty little cousin. She's so pretty.
Look
Yeah, chat say. Parrot. Q don't like when me give nobody else attention. He jealous bad.
What?
That's why I itch up yourself.
Left me alone.
You left me alone.
Left me alone.
That hot, you know.
Left me alone.
Come finish the drinks and carry in the cup, Taj. Anyway, guys. Tad said me if you give him $1,000. I'm telling you if you spell 1,000.
You can't spell it.
Spell 1,000.
No.
No.
Just
Stop the
stop.
go to your nose and punch my bag.
Just stop, man.
Spell 1,000.
So I must end up bearing up on
Zayen.
No fine, I don't can't spell.
Pardon, a language to me.
Tesho Zayen. No. One ND for the day.
Sure tell, you know. Oh, no, come on for me, no, man.
Tini lay down on Naya.
No.
You can't leave me alone. Ow, get up out of my side, you that hot man. Get up.
Get up!
Get
You're not
up.
here! What did you do with the band? You must think that me a beating joke with you. I must see that
You run. You afraid of beating touch. Tini not get no bag juice.
I can't believe you tell me
Yeah, run out.
jump off a bicycle and take
Come, me no want no more, me no.
beat your tie.
I want a big tea. It tastes the same?
No.
Cause some of them bag juice are just ice and syrup.
One time, Tad just a jiggly bicycle and then jump off side beam. Look. Take it, lift him up and carry him and take off his side beam and beat him all tie.
Beat who?
Tad.
Who beat him?
Tete.
What did he do?
In the end, a jiggly bicycle and
Tete,
jump
don't
off.
go back on the bicycle. And then go on there, and I go some with the bicycle. And the bicycle drop side of the and while I'm out the bus from the road, it's swell. And Tete go on the back of the one, take off piece of Aki branch and beat him out tight.
Spy!
Tete, so we put the way they give me theory there. Now what do you want?
Yo, check if they up there.